Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the Dell Pro Micro Plus AI PC, which I believe is the best tiny desktop I've ever had the pleasure of testing. But before I dive into the details, let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself in need of a powerful computer that can handle demanding tasks, but don't have the space for a bulky tower? Well, you're in luck because this miniature powerhouse is here to change the game. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I'll be going over the features and performance of this device, so let's get started. I know what you're thinking, how can something this small actually handle real work? I mean, we've all been there, trying to get work done on a laptop or a tiny computer that just can't keep up. But this thing is different. The Intel Ultra 5235T inside is a beast. It's got 14 cores and can hit 5.0 GHz when it needs to. I put it to the test by running a dozen Chrome tabs, a Zoom call, and a couple of Lightroom edits at the same time, and it never even broke a sweat. The 13 TOPS NPU is also incredibly impressive. It handled background noise removal in OBS like it was nothing, which is perfect if you're streaming or recording podcasts. One of the coolest features of this device is the quad display support. I hooked it up to four 1080p monitors using just the HDMI and two DisplayPort outputs, and the image stayed crisp even when I dragged windows across all four screens. If you're in finance, design, or just love having a ton of screen real estate, this setup is a game changer. Imagine being able to have multiple spreadsheets open at the same time, or being able to edit a video on one screen while keeping an eye on your email on another. It's incredibly convenient and can really boost your productivity. Plus, the military-grade durability means it can take a bump or two without skipping a beat, which is great if you're moving it between home and office. I've had my fair share of computers that are fragile and prone to damage, but this one is built to last. The compact design also makes it easy to take with you on the go, whether you're traveling for work or just want to have a powerful computer at home. Storage and memory are where this machine really shines. The 1TB PCIe SSD is incredibly fast, Windows boots in under 10 seconds, and loading applications is almost instantaneous. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM means you can keep every app open without slowdowns, which is a huge plus for anyone who likes to multitask. I tried running a full Adobe suite, a virtual machine, and a couple of games in the background, and there was still no lag. It's amazing to think that a computer this small can handle so much, but it really does deliver. The Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 combo kept my connection rock solid whether I was downloading large files or streaming 4K video. I've had issues with other computers that have poor Wi-Fi connectivity, but this one has been flawless. I was able to stream video from across the room without any buffering or lag, which is impressive. Connectivity is another highlight of this device. You get 8 USB ports in total, 4 on the back, 2 on the side, and 2 more on the front for quick access to peripherals. I plugged in a keyboard, mouse, external SSD, webcam, and a USB-C hub all at once without needing a single splitter. The front USB-C even charges my phone while I work, which is a small but super convenient touch. It's the little things like this that make a big difference in your daily workflow. Windows 11 Pro is included, so you get all the business-friendly features like BitLocker encryption, remote desktop, and domain join right out of the box. I set up a test domain in under 5 minutes and had 3 other machines connected without any issues. If you're running a small office or just want enterprise-level security at home, this is a solid choice. The included operating system is also fully up-to-date, so you don't have to worry about upgrading or configuring anything. Now, it's not perfect. The fan can get a little loud under heavy load, so if you're in a quiet room you might want to keep it on a desk instead of right next to you. Also, the included power brick is pretty chunky, so don't expect this to disappear into your bag easily if you travel with it. However, these are minor complaints in what is otherwise an incredibly impressive device. All in all, this Dell Pro Micro Plus is a powerhouse in a tiny package. It's fast, reliable, and built to last, whether you're crunching numbers, editing photos, or managing a small business network. So, if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, check out the link below to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.